It's about to be a maza, braz. We're about to drink some booze. And siyagula, fever is killing us.
What is this?
Gimbal, whatever you call it. Whatever. Mangebana. You get titimela. Tambis umlomo.
Come closer. Come closer. See this one? This one must sponsor us. This one. Make G sponsor us, my brother. Because we're supporting this shit, bravo.
So nyuka nge-beach yabo. So ukhupha pictures eyi-3.
What are you doing,
So nyuka nge-pictures eyi-3.
Spin esihle nje.
Hayi, esizobahamba. Slow lena.
You gonna hold this?
Yeah. Like esizobahamba pha kuthi ezo zizoba sebhakeni.
No, like
ezinye zoziqabula yini.
Aqabo bethi abashoni.
You know mos. Never show na funa sponsoration na. And yeah, what I come back.
And xa isponsoration izawunyuka no imali yayo. You see this? Chilla's Punch, Baba. Have to sponsor.
This must sponsor us.
You can't go anywhere without this one.
We're gonna be vendors right now.
You can't go.
See today we go.
Yeah, but it's another show, but I zafiwa la yo ashkaran bang no on the special level. I'm telling you. Tanga ava surely. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. Tanga ava surely.
Still has the prize. Oh, go on is no prize.
We're gonna be Amavel.
What's going on, chat? Raquel,
Uri mfondini.
you know what's going on? Today, it's gonna be a maza. So we're about to pray. Then we're gonna go to a grove. Ningathi selitshwala sithanda. Siyakhonza somehow.
Siyakhonza qha zami cha.
Nami gawe.
Hey.
What I'll call it then.
Yeah, hold on.
Yo chat. Sexy Beyonce wenu la wenu igcwele.
Sexy Beyonce beka lana kuye iring sithanda zenu bras. In the driver's seat. Let God be in the driver's seat.
Mama
ashela amashanga nathi ukuthitingela ngofu akhulume namashanga iwinter se
thandaza manje.
Yabanda baba.
Sophuza amashila punch.
Yabanda baba. God is in the driver's seat, guys, with this content thing. Yabo. Nje, we're getting paid with blessings. Dango.
Wait up the day.
Word of the day, baba.
Looking like a spirit.
No one dies a virgin. Life fucks all of us.
We just prayed. We just prayed.
The word of the day.
Yeah.
Nobody dies a virgin. Life fucks all of us. Buzz.
Oh my God! Wow!
Sexy Beyonce wenu kamile.
Inside, not outside. Okay, tell apart.
Let me you do.
That's all.
Tawawa.
Twawawa.
Pagalala.
Twawawa.
Amen.
Ras, bro, is Pagaland. Fallen brother over here. Ayin.
Shota le mashiya kodwa. Benteni ngu-sexy Beyonce gcwala. Pretty motherfucker.
Pretty motherfucker bathini.
Ngiyabona.
Lapho papa.
Yabona uriri banichama njani pa crew.
Sinichama ngofaka imascara. Ales. Twanga mabomu. Yabo. Shit. Kuhandi ipeti.
Mraba. You're fast.
What's going on, chat?
Where's usele ne old brother?
I go by name J Pop.
J Pop. Shit.
Pai keles. Ntengqatheni ulando ke hyper so. Bethana nokathu.
I'm not chef.
No.
From Sulis bags.
1, 2, 3. Sexy Beyonce.
This nigga. This guy. Sexy Beyonce.
What's going on, chat?
The time is currently 21:53.
We are going to a groove. We are going to have fun.
Yabo. What?
Ndicinga ifoni.
Yiyo le. Yeah, azokudyakiwe. Kuphuzwe abashoni, kudyaga abanye abantu.
Sihamba manje sodakwa sotipa.
Guys, please, nje disclaimer.
We're gonna get drunk.
I apologize for the things I'm about to do tonight.
Tanko.
It's going to
apologize
be a
on behalf of us.
It's going to be a maza. Chillers Punch, sponsor us.
Feeling like maza. Go to 2 mazas.
5 minutes later.
Feeling like maza.
Whoa.
Akumnyama.
Uyashisa.
Banenza cameraman wabo aba. Banenza cameraman.
Ngizaphumbula emanzini phamene. Vusa. Bambe soa lena. Elisha. Uyashisa. Hamba kaloku Fusek. Jambana namanzi. Hamba kaloku.
Ubambele ngapha.
Lethu kuthula phambene. Hamba. She can't walk. She can't walk.
On top of water.
Walk on water, but I'm not sure.
Moses oyivula mosena. Ophaka uzula phakathi kolwandle.
Yabo bana bangayaziyo perfect.
Zanga ndiye Bible study lokho.
Yabonaka. Zangu
With your mouth. We go south.
We go south.
Felicia.
Felicia. Uyashisa. We go south.
There's a lady.
And then Felicia.
She's very. Praz, aska. Praz, let me inform you. We haven't even gotten to groove. People are dancing. Avashon is on the high score.
I wanna talk. You never go wrong.
I don't know.
Okay, check it. If we're going to beef now, I'm soon and beef. Tanko, that's the word of the day.
So we're here in Sia's crib.
In Khayelitsha.
Yeah. So we're not gonna be long here in the crib because I know YouTube is gonna copyright. So cut.
Namhlanje ndifuna umntu womntu.
Mna ndifuna umuntu wawe.
Ufuna wakho.
Bani?
Bathi ufuna wakho.
Umuntu wakho okanye ufuna umuntu wombi? Ufuna umuntu wakho okanye ufuna umuntu wombi?
Ufuna umuntu wami.
Hayi. Red flag. Ndifuna umuntu wombi namhlanje, ndifuna umuntu wami. Ufuna abantu namhlanje.
Umuntu.
Danko.
Umuntu namhlanje.
Danko.
Kanyiwa.
Danko.
Chillers Punch, you have to sponsor us. Yeah, we're doing the most, brother. We're doing the most with this shit. You have to sponsor us. Yeah, we are here. It's 28 dollars.
Hey, enjoy it. Ufika nje sonje.
Gotta lose a lot just triple X station, motherfucking like
Yeah, akafuna ukubheka i-vlog. Ubambile. Yo, zekhayelisa. Siyaqedisa shelanga.
Yo, lo mchita unika i-old bar, bra. I'm not interested, bro. Oh.
What's happening? It's a Mazda. What's happening? Yeah? Where's Lungisa?
Ngiyazilungisa nifuna ukuba ngizawuthanda nini.
Uzilungiselela amadoda.
Ngizilungiselela amadoda. Ngizobona wonke.
Suara zilungiselela
Ngizilungiselela ama-DO.
Nizawuthini ngaveli. Nizawuthini jonga mazis, jonga wena waseNaparty. Ufane nje. Apho ndikubeka. Introduce yourself. Yeah, boy, please, man. Yeah, boy, please, We're inside. Where you at? I'm outside, bro. Where you at? I'm outside, nigga. Yeah. How's the vibe? I just arrived, bro, so I cannot tell. So you just arrived. So when can you ask you? Maybe after 1 hour or something. 1 hour or something. Okay. Away. Introduce yourself to the vlog. I just did. You know what the vlog? Nah, that was short. Introduce yourself fully. It's your boy Cheesy, man. It's your boy what? It's your boy Cheesy. Listen, Cheesy. Take some notes. Hey yo, it's your boy Public Meta Pasta and we're here at Hans Restaurant. Exactly. What? Hans Restaurant. What were you saying, bro? It's your boy Public Meta Pasta and we're here at Hans Restaurant. And we're here with? It's your boy Clinton. We here at the Hans Restaurant. Exactly. It's hard, man. Exactly, my nigga. This is out of China again after 1 hour, bro. After an hour. Yeah. And then you're gonna tell me how the mommy is looking.
The ratio.
How's the ratio?
Inside is fire, bro.
How's the ratio?
Inside is fire, bro.
Inside is fire.
Yeah, man.
So outside is cold, guys.
It's cool, bro.
It's cold. Cold Palmer level. It's cold, but we're still gonna give you content. So watch out for this guy. So relax and tune in on the vlog.
Like, we are here at Groove right now. We are about to get drunk. We are at Hans Restaurant. Let's do it, my nigga. Let's do it, my nigga. Let's do it, bro.
So what up, everybody? It is your boy Pablo Meta Pata and okay. Nam you never need to answer boy.
Short as fuck. Too much aura.
Why don't we share that?
I talk like this is my mom. But hey guys, my name is Manakuntu. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. The Secret
Recipe Podcast. Yeah. Where are you?
I'm at Groove. Hans Restaurant and Brothers and there's Paya.
New York guy. So guys, Malaki
9795, don't forget.
Okay.
Remember the name.
Okay, thank you.
Yasela. Bueno, guys, yasela. What the fuck?
What the fuck is happening? Wait. Wenzani?
Vibes, ngiyabona masifuso khona
Channel on a Saturday.
No, like I'm used being outside, so that's why I'm outside. Doesn't mean I have to drink. Shall I end town?
Where, like,
On Bloemfontein.
Okay, guys.
When's the no proven day?
I feel like.
I didn't.
So, tell them why it is important to buy food. Tell them.
Guys.
Honestly, you post and then I post.
Okay, don't forget to like.
Is to be a housewife, so Jay.
Housewife.
Yeah.
Okay, we need people like you. We need people like you.
Guys, I couldn't shooting a cherry. I'm telling you, bro. If you cherry, pull out in Puku. I saw it is in Japan there.
But thank you for featuring me.
Yeah. Yeah. So hard. Thank you for featuring me.
Oh my God! Wow!
I must buy this.
You my point. Uthini bangabantu uthini.
Is that what you're going to ask the technician? You're fine. I don't need.
Say, where's the water from? What's water? Okay, uthi Koreans noni?
Iphiya lena kule. Hayi phiya. Ubona nawe, noma ngithengile ngivulile ngivali.
Yeah.
Ayisela.
Yeah.
Sela njengephiya lena.
I will be cheese.
Hey man, abantu when you manufacture this shit yenza sure bayavakala ivakali lento. Iphiya lena.
Khansela nibo, nincane. Iqibe mone. Iqibe mone.
Flexa ngayo. Bajonga ngithenga enye manibheke.
Iqibeni. Natsake. Uthi ntoni leya? Iphiya leya. Iphiya ku. Okay.
Lake nithenga zibe 7 kuze zovakala bayishort. Zisay 1, zisay 2, zisay 3. Iphiya kum. Sakhala ngodi. Bathi ngubani? Da bitches aka Bura Mandombi yabasasa. Ila Bura yeni fit strong in masile short mafethu.
That's imbi lewe ndoni
pigi Hunters Gold imbi Hunters Gold imbi iva bra
no barakara yeah bari shiri
zakusherela kuzama 1 2 3
Nzana nawe ne
5 baleza
I love you.
There's nothing above you. There's nothing above you. You skate you. I like your mini skate you. Everybody skate you. If I tell you, say I love you. My body, baby. No, that's it, for the account, yo. Hey, Versace Agushi for your body, yo, baby. Hey, no do, cara for me. Hey. No do, sarara. Hey, no do, cara, oh, hey.
People are holding scanties. Scanties are being held.
Why
Wangavumeli.
Wawusilwa.
Wangavumeli.
Yamamela.
Wangavumeli. Uthini. Khawuze introduce kwi-vlog. Yeke izinto ezininzi. Introduce.
Abayandazi.
Ngubani okwaziyo?
Abayandazi.
Ngubani okwaziyo?
Juan Timla. Introduce.
Ngubani okwaziyo? Zintroduce. Ngubani okwaziyo?
Public Meta Bata. Public Meta Bata. Public Meta Bata.
Now uyazisa Talebu. Abo sifuna uzintroduce. Uthungubani man. Uthungubani. Ngibona okwaziyo. Ngibona okwaziyo. Abantu abakwaziyo ngamadoda qha. Aba ku-platform yethu ngobani abakwaziyo. Uthungubani.
Akuze nje ngoba obudane date.
Yeah.
Swag. There, what's that? What's that? Boy. Let's see it.
What's that? Yeah. What are you doing?
So man. Let's say that. I'm the lies. Pesalan. Pesava showing. It's a cocktail. What is the name of the cocktail? Avacoli. It's a sex on the house. Yo, what's going on? It's a Efraya, day 2. Share. Those are long. W Bacon, W Ration. No, VN. Yo, got this wrong. See, you know the 100 is with love. W Motion, Big Man Tanks, K Healthy Fry.
Guys, and we have a special guest today. He's a
Watch yourself on TV.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned of the vlog. Be watching the podcast and
Bacon and shit.
Okay, here we have H2O, which is water. Drink water, guys. Drink water. And that's not be amanzi. What's a Joburg? What's Western Cape? Where is it? Wherever you are. And now no pink amanzi, but another Cape pink amanzi. So we're still looking for Slim Ray and Maz no movies.
Only videos.
But yeah, we're watching the podcast here, so tune in for more.
Mistake. What the fuck? Why change? Hey, why?
Ndio yeka bra yenja.